Welcome to Super Global Host. If you need to apply 15% sales tax to sell any product, then how can you apply that? After add the product on product line, just click on Able the tax and cross the current one if its value 0 tax. And select 15% tax from dropdown and save, then click on Confirm and then click on Preview. And you will get invoice that have 15% tax applied. First, added the product to the product line. Look carefully at the tax section for that product. Next, open the tax dropdown menu and select the 15% tax option from the list. Once you have selected the 15% tax, click Save to update the invoice or sales order. After saving, click on Confirm to finalize the document. Finally, click on Preview to view the invoice. Now you will see that the 15% sales tax has been correctly applied, and the total amount has been automatically recalculated including tax. This is how you can easily apply 15% sales tax to any product in your system using Super Global Host.